down to, real quick, if you watch this on YouTube, that when I did the snorkeling ones, the first one I did didn't work out very well, so that's why when I was doing them, so I just want to tell you that on the snorkeling ones. So I put some of these on TikTok too as well. So it's not too big of a cemetery. You know, it's kind of cool. I think it's fun to document this stuff. Can't see that. I wish you could read these things. So, you know, people, you know, I think that's before in Saudi Arabia, they put them in a gunny sack and put them in the ground with a rock over it. I know the Boy Scouts will go take care of a lot of stuff. These are some old ones. Can't even tell what they are. Shame. It's by the original ones here. It's out in Egan. $1903. It's too bad. $1838, 1900. Very nice. Oh my goodness. Big dog over here. Pago must be a pretty big name. Too bad, really can't tell. 1896, passed away. He was gone right here, a big one. Another one right here. Kind of come over and paint it over or something with some kind of paint. $1893, 1993, what is it, 1893, 1894, only one, looks like, oh wait, hey, hang on. 1901, I don't know how I wanted to read, but. 1946, 1861, that's an old one, but it's had a test of time. Put it up there. Yeah. Christian. Right over here is another one. Yeah, I'm gonna have a simple plaque. 1873 to 1938. Carl. There he is, right there. Born July 2nd, 1890. Died May 3rd, 1914. Louis F. Winkinson. I can't pronounce it. Sorry. It's an old one. That's right there. It's old. I like that one. It's kind of cool. It's too bad you can't read them. 1842, 1892. That's way before internet, the old days. Listen to a lot of history on YouTube. Way back in the old days. Jack. Elmer Little Jack, 1912 to 1925. Didn't live very long. It's too bad. If I can make it to 80, I'll be happy. Very nice. Holtz, this one kind of is tipping over a little bit. Kind of, I want it to fall over. 1853, 1848, 1933, 1935. So, died before the Second World War. The old ones right here. Look at this one right here. 1894, 1895. Said you kind of come out here and if you had the money and put a new plaque in there. Died December 10th. Rest in peace, Edward. Born on Christmas Eve. Kind of weird once in a while you see ones that are born on the day they died. It's kind of weird. But when you're in the big book to go home, you go home. That's the book. There's no way around it. Abide with me. So. Got a couple kind of sinking in down there. Some of these are like 1888. Whoa. That was 1931 died. January 25th, 1892. April 18th, 1978. Family plot right here, it looks like. Janky. Kind of started to tip a little bit. Schmidt. Like all the old cemeteries, there's a couple off of 212 I'd love to get out to. See, when I travel up north, wish I could pull off and do them, but when you're working, you just can't be doing that kind of behavior. Sacks. Now, these are some old ones here, man. This one's, I think that's, I don't know if it's a Jewish name or not. Schwartz, I don't know. It is. Ooh. But standing the test of time. Trap. It's a big ass one right there. Oh my goodness. Schmidt. These are some old ones right here, you can tell. These have been around. 1804. Old ones here, man. Oh my goodness. (1860 to 1936). Huh. Ooh. Very nice. And they spent a lot of money on these big dogs. Like this one, that's about a couple grand worth. That's not cheap. 1902 to 1913, very young. See, that's a shame. Marvin Schmidt. Albert Smith. World War I. The war to end all wars, I guess. Father, mother, 1925, right about the end of World War II. Father, mother, barrel. The old one, you really can't see it. Well, the old one under the tree here. Let's see. I ended right here, this one. 1828 to 1893. Oh my goodness. So anyways, under the tree. Always away from the rain and the snow and everything else. So that's round 2 out here. We'll make our way over here. Maybe we'll get 4 rod. But anyways, it's a beautiful day, the 3rd day of August. Supposed to get a little hot, so there we go.